Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm sorry that your girl took a little bit of break. I just needed like a mental break. I just needed that because like I have been posting consistently on like all my social medias for about a year, and I never really took like a break. It just became a lot with like work, and then my daughter starting school, so I just needed a little bit of that break. But this client that y'all are seeing me right here, we are doing like a curly shag cut on her. Now let me tell y'all something. When she first came to see me, I did not believe that she had curly hair, but once I had put her on like a curly routine and made her hair back healthy, because her hair was done, like no one was properly showing her how to take care of her curly hair, so she would just straighten it, kept on dyeing it, and now she wanted to wear it natural, but like she had to go through like a really big transition. I think at this point when we did this cut, she was seeing me for about maybe 6 or 8 months at this point, and we got her curls back on and popping. Like every time when I see her now, her hair keeps getting curlier and curlier. I know it don't look like much now, but wait until the end so you can see what it fully looks like. This is the curly regimen that I put her on. We do the LCO method. So all that means is that I use water, leave-in conditioner. That's what the L means. C means like a curl cream and casting agent, which I use either mousse or gel for that. And then the O is just I put oil on it to seal in all that moisture. And then she can change it to LOC during like the winter time. She needs like less moisture and everything, but this is just what works for her. Now her shampoo, that's for products. Now for shampoo regimen, I told her to use shampoo once a month and get a co-wash for that in between, because her hair tends to be a lot more drier and her hair is prone to breakage. So that's why I recommend using, shampoo a lot less. I also want to debunk like people who use conditioner as a co-wash. Listen, you cannot use a conditioner as a co-wash. Conditioner isn't formulated to cleanse the scalp. It is only to distribute moisture. A co-wash is formulated to cleanse the hair, to move the sebum from your hair strands down. Sebum just means that it is oil from your scalp. It's the natural oil from your scalp. When you have curly hair, it is hard from the oil to your scalp to get down to your ends. If you have fully straight hair, that's why it feels like the hair is oily all the time, because the hair is straight and it's easier for the sebum to move down the hair shaft. But when your hair is curly, you have to use co-wash to evenly distribute that sebum. Does that make sense? So since her hair is already red, I just went in with the Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner from Aveda. Then I went in with the curl cream from Davinus. Then after that, I went in with the curl mousse from Davinus as well. And then I am doing round brush demon brush curls on her. And then I am going to coat my hands in some oil, so just in case I need to touch the hair while I diffuse it, her hair don't frizz up and be like a lion. Sometimes a lot of people see a lot of frizz because our hands are made of keratin, which that's the same thing our hair is made out of, and that causes frizz if you keep touching it. Leave it alone. If you need to touch it, just coat your hands in a little bit of oil when you need to scrunch, so that there's a little bit of separations from your hands and your hair. I hope that makes sense. y'all see her curls like forming and everything. I'm currently breaking them apart right now with I did coat my hands in a little bit of oil while I'm breaking them up, and like her curls are flourishing so much. Like, look at them layers. Y'all see that? Look how good them curls look. I am so proud that she stuck to this regimen, and that like cause girl, her hair wasn't like this when I tell y'all her hair wasn't like this when we first met. It wasn't. So like, I'm glad her curls are now flourishing, and now they look so good. All right, y'all, this is the end of the video. All right, bye.